say the last year was difficult would be selling it short. We all had to give up things that we love. We had to come face to face with isolation. Isolation from our communities, the people we feel seen by, and the spaces where we thrive. This is a story about what happens when you can finally reconnect with your community and the joy of bikepacking with your friends. In late February 2020, WTF Bike Explorers Atlanta went on a bikepacking trip to Cochrane Mill Park, south of Atlanta. None of us knew it would be our last bikepacking trip as a group for a very long time. For this trip, our group decided to return to that same campsite at Cochrane Mill, hoping for a light and fun restart after a long and strange year. I'd say we succeeded. And scene. Like what? I don't know.